yoga friends! Before we begin today's Yoga for Strength and Beautiful Body session, take a moment to hit like and subscribe so you can receive helpful yoga practices every day to feel stronger, more beautiful, and happier. Let's get started! Garland pose, squat down low, and put your hands together like a little frog getting ready to jump. Great start! Chair pose. Sit down on an invisible chair. Don't fall over. Well done! Wide leg forward bend. Spread your legs wide like a tower and look down at the upside down world. Good balance. Revolve side angle pose. Twist your body strongly to the side to wave hello to a friend behind you. Now switch sides. You are doing great! Pigeon pose. Pump out your chest proudly and stretch your neck high like a beautiful pigeon. Now switch sides. Beautiful pose. Bow pose. Turn your body into a basket full of fruit. Excellent work. Camel pose. Kneel down and lean back to make a camel hump in the desert. Amazing! Wheel pose. Push your hands hard to lift your body up and become a rolling wheel. You are so strong! Shoulder stand. Lift your legs straight up to the sky like a candle burning brightly. Wonderful job! Plow pose. Bring your feet over your head to touch the ground and plow the field to plant seeds. Very good! Happy baby pose. Lie on your back, grab your feet, and roll side to side happily. That was fun! Knee to chest pose, hug your knees tight to your chest, and curl up like a little ball. Perfect! Corpse pose. close. Close your eyes and have a sweet dream on a cloud.